What's up, fellas? I'm back with another video. Some more silver. Just stopped by my new local coin shop and picked up a few pieces. I'm gonna show you what we got here. We got 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. 1964. They're all D's. Silver quarters. Most of the silver quarters I have are 1964, right around that date. I got some older ones here. I got 1, 2, 3, 3 other quarters. Here's a 1960. Pretty good shape. Got some toning on the back there. And some other mess. That one's actually not in very good shape, but it's going to work for me. Here's a 1956. I guess something else was in here at one point, but it is a 1956. Got a 1942. My first Liberty. This is a 1929. Still getting some firsts. 1929. In good condition, if you ask me. I got my first 1912 half dollar. Amazing how these coins hold up with time. And I fell in love with this next one, 1906. 1906 quarter. Really tone, really beautiful. It's interesting that one side is toned and one side is not. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about that. What causes that? Was it just sitting on one side? Interesting. And got a couple Mercuries. Got 3 Mercuries. I got a 1992 100 pesos from Mexico. Very toned, really good looking coin. Got a 2001. One-ounce fine silver, Somali Republic, with Pope John Paul II. And one of the old favorites, I got another 1-ounce Sunshine Minting bar. Sun flares on the back. And that's it. check out some of the other videos that are coming out right now. Some guys are putting out some pretty cool stuff. You know, Silverfish put out his January update, and IMA and IMI just put out the January Stacky compilation, which was exceptional. It was great. This is great song choice, by the way. There's some really cool stuff going on in our little YouTube Silver community. So there's just a lot of cool things happening. Make sure you guys are contributing and enjoying everybody's hard work. Have a good day, guys.